guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday. It is actually 2 p.m. I've had a late start to my day because guess what? The clocks went forward. We sprung forward, which I don't know about you guys, but it just throws me off so much. I remember waking up at 7 and then being super confused because I honestly, I kind of forgot that it was even happening. And I know like the dog was kind of confused because I wasn't waking up at the times I normally wake up at. Anyways, so I ended up going back to bed and then I slept till 10, which is like unheard of for me. I skipped yoga, like I just did not have the typical day. And I know that a lot of people suffer from that when it is kind of like the spring forward, or even when you gain an hour, it just kind of throws your body off and you're like, hey, what's happening? So today is a health and wellness video for you guys. I'm really excited because this is a really easy dupe for the Starbucks protein boxes. So I recently went to Starbucks and I needed something to eat. So I was like, I'll just go there. I need a coffee anyways. It'll be super quick. Usually they have sandwiches and salads to pick from, and they had absolutely nothing except for 2 different protein boxes. And I was like, what? Okay, so I guess I'll get one of these. In the end of it all, it really did look really good, but it was super expensive for what you got. So I was kind of pissed about that. And then I thought to myself, like, okay, I feel like people definitely just make these on their own. Why not just make them by myself? They're so, like, they really are nice and easy, quick. These protein boxes are just super great for people on the go. It's kind of like a breakfast that you can take with you. It's super easy to eat. You can kind of munch on these things when you're even in the car or on the bus, whatever. You can munch on them when you're at your desk at work. That is one of the main reasons why I really like these protein boxes, is for that. They're just so easy, and they're really easy to put together, and you can put them together the day before and then have them ready to go in a Tupperware or whatever you want to use. So I'm going to show you guys what I like to put in my protein boxes. That is kind of like a lunch, that is kind of like a breakfast slash morning snack situation. So let's just jump right into the video before I ramble for another 10 minutes straight. Wow. Okay, so I have everything laid out on my counter that I'm gonna need. One of the most important things I think is getting a variety of foods that you like. So I have a little bit of fruit. I have apples and grapes for fruit. I have some cheese, and then I have a carb, which I just really like the crispy minis, but you could do crackers or whatever you really like in this kind of category. And then I like to do 2 hard-boiled eggs. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes I will put peanut butter on my crispy minis like the morning of. I'm not gonna lie, I really do like doing that because it just adds a little bit of something, or even hummus. Those 2 things just add a little bit of flavor to my crispy minis because I do get the original flavor. Right now I have the water boiling for my eggs, and then while they're boiling, I just kind of rinse my fruit, cut those all up, and do that kind of thing. So let's get started. I've got my eggs boiling right now. I just popped them in. My husband always says it's 7 minutes, so I usually do 7 to 8 minutes. And that kind of leaves the yolk a little bit liquidy, which I really like. So depending on how you like your eggs, just cook them to how you like them. Okay, so the first fruit that I have here these are just Macintosh apples. You can get whatever apple you like the best. So I just like to give my apples a really good rinse, especially if you're not buying organic. You wanna really make sure you clean off all your fruits and vegetables to make sure you get all the pesticides off and all that junk that they choose to put on it. Once you do that, we're ready to cut them. On the ones that have like the core, I just kind of cut it out. Okay, so each box I usually give one half of an apple. So I like to use these flat containers. These are just from Rubbermaid. I really like them. I have been in the midst of changing all my Tupperwares to glass, but I couldn't find any recently that are this size. So I'll just pop in my apple. Next fruit, I do love good grapes. I love the green ones personally. So I'm just gonna rinse these off and give a couple on each of the boxes. That amount is probably tip when it comes to peeling eggs is to let them cool down. That's something that I never do. And then I kind of just like smack them around a little bit and then I peel them. And some eggs, it's like, oh my goodness, it's such a breeze, and then some are not. I recommend peeling them because I've sat at my desk and peeled eggs before at work, and it's kind of, it's a little awkward. So definitely peel them at home. That way you can just grab them and eat. And you can also like pre-salt them. I personally don't like salt on my eggs. I know whenever I say that, people think I'm so weird, but I'm just not a huge salt person. But if you are, then you can put salt on them like before you go to work, or if you have a kitchen at work, you can do it there. But anyways, I just pop my eggs into the little basket, the protein box, and this is what your protein box is gonna be looking like. So this is about 415 calories, which is a really great amount for a breakfast, 40 grams of carbs, about 20 grams of fat, and then 22 grams of protein, which is really, really awesome. All right, guys, so that is actually going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for all your sweet words on the lifestyle content. I'm so glad you guys are enjoying it. A quick little update, we actually did switch our gyms yesterday, so we're going to be beginning to go to this new gym. Well, it's not new to us, we used to go there before we switched to this other kind of like fancier gym. So we will be able to film there, which I'm really excited about. So I'm going to start doing, you know, small kind of easy workouts that you guys can incorporate into your routines. For example, I have like an ab routine and a routine that I do for glute activation, like those kinds of things. I don't know to what level I'm gonna take these kind of fitness videos, but I am more than happy to take any recommendations down below. Let me know, guys, what you want to see. Let me know if you guys want to see some more quick, easy recipes. This one is definitely one of my favorites because it's just, it really is super easy. And you can do it the night before, and you can, like as I did too. So this is definitely going to be one for me, one for my husband. He's going to be very excited. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick little video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.